Imagine you're standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored jungle. You know it's teeming with life, but you have no idea what's lurking within. That's how I felt when I first heard about ClickUp. ClickUp, for those unfamiliar, is a project management software that's been making waves in the tech world. It's a Swiss Army knife of productivity tools, offering everything from task management and time tracking to goal setting and document collaboration. But with so many project management options out there, the question remains, how many businesses are actually using ClickUp? The quest for a definitive answer. I embarked on a mission to find out. I dove deep into online forums, industry reports, and even reached out to ClickUp directly. The journey wasn't always straightforward, but I eventually uncovered some fascinating insights. Data point 1, the growing user base. One of the most striking trends I noticed was ClickUp's rapidly growing user base. According to their own figures, they've seen a significant increase in both individual users and businesses adopting their platform. This suggests that ClickUp is gaining momentum and becoming a popular choice for organizations of all sizes. Data point 2, industry adoption. Beyond the raw numbers, I also explored which industries are embracing ClickUp. It turns out that the platform is particularly popular in tech startups, marketing agencies, and software development companies. These industries often require sophisticated project management tools to streamline their workflows and meet tight deadlines. Data point 3, customer testimonials. To get a more personal perspective, I sought out customer testimonials and case studies. I was impressed by the variety of businesses that have found success with ClickUp. From small teams to large enterprises, users consistently praise the platform's flexibility, customization options, and overall ease of use. The challenges of quantifying usage. While the data I gathered paints a positive picture of ClickUp's popularity, it's important to note that it's challenging to provide a precise answer to the question, how many businesses use ClickUp? This is because not all ClickUp users publicly disclose their usage, and the company itself doesn't release exact figures. The bigger picture. Despite the limitations of quantifying usage, it's clear that ClickUp is making a significant impact on the project management landscape. Its growing user base, industry adoption, and positive customer feedback suggest that it's a viable option for businesses seeking a powerful and versatile productivity tool. So, while I can't give you an exact number of businesses using ClickUp, I can confidently say that the platform is gaining traction and making a name for itself. Whether you're a small team or a large enterprise, it's worth considering ClickUp as a potential solution to your project management needs. Have you tried ClickUp? What are your experiences with the platform? Share your thoughts in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-related content. Until next time.